Hi everybody. Today we're delving into the fascinating story of Indigo Airlines, a company that defied the odds and became a dominant force in the challenging Indian aviation industry. The Indian aviation space has seen its fair share of turbulence. Over the past decade, giants like Kingfisher, Jet Airways, Sahara Air, and even the iconic Deccan Air have all faced downfall. Yet amidst this turbulence, Indigo stood out, not just surviving but thriving. In 2015, while competitors like Jet Airways and SpiceJet were struggling with losses, Indigo reported a profit of 1,300 crores, setting the stage for its remarkable journey. But how did Indigo achieve such extraordinary success? Let's dive into the details. Indigo's success can be attributed to a combination of factors, from strategic decision-making to innovative business models. One key strategy was their asset-led approach. By ordering 100 Airbus aircraft in a single deal, Indigo secured significant discounts and reduced operational costs. But it wasn't just about buying planes. Indigo pioneered the sales and leaseback model, further optimizing their capital and operational efficiency. This model allowed Indigo to generate upfront profits while leasing back the aircraft, ensuring steady cash flow and flexibility. In contrast, competitors like Kingfisher Airlines focused on luxury and convenience, offering in-flight meals and entertainment systems. However, these perks added to operational costs, ultimately leading to their downfall. Indigo also adopted the hub-and-spoke model, streamlining operations and maximizing efficiency. This approach enabled them to serve more destinations with fewer aircraft. Indigo faced challenges too, particularly during the oil price crisis. While other airlines struggled, Indigo's low operational costs and cash reserves allowed them to weather the storm and emerge stronger. Additionally, Indigo seized opportunities by poaching pilots from struggling competitors, further strengthening their position in the market. So, what lessons can we learn from Indigo's success? Firstly, prioritize affordability over luxury. Remember, customers want value for money, not just extravagance. Secondly, learn from competitors' mistakes. Indigo studied the failures of others and adjusted their strategies accordingly. And finally, stay agile and adaptable. In a volatile industry like aviation, flexibility and innovation are key to survival. And that's the story of Indigo Airlines, a testament to resilience, innovation, and strategic vision. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more captivating case studies and business analysis. See you next time.